Hello, friends. I welcome you on this online platform of online lecture series started by Sri Dadasaheb Gavi Charitable Trust, Amravati. I am Mr. Shuddhodhan Kamble, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Takshashila Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. In this lecture, we are going to deal with the first unit, the first prose Sudha Murti. The first unit of your compulsory English is about the inspiring personalities, contemporary personalities who have inspired the generations of the contemporary time. The first chapter, Sudhamurti, is about living legend, social worker, and entrepreneur Sudha Murti. Sudha Murti was born in Shiagaon in northern Karnataka, India. The daughter of the physician Dr. S.R. Kulkarni, Sudha and her siblings were raised by her parents and maternal grandparents. Her childhood experiences form the historical basis for her first notable work entitled How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories. Later, in the memory of her maternal grandparents, two institutions of higher learning, the H.R. Kadim Diwan building housing the Computer Science and Engineering CSE department at IIT Kanpur and the Narayan Rao Malgiri Memorial National Law Library at NLSIU were endowed and inaugurated by the Infosys Foundation. Sudha Murti completed a BE in Electrical Engineering from the BVB College of Engineering and Technology, standing first in her class and receiving a gold medal from the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Thereafter, she completed an ME in Computer Science from the Indian Institute of Science, standing first in her class and receiving a gold medal from the Indian Institute of Engineers. After graduation, she became the first female engineer hired at India's largest auto manufacturer Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company or Telco. Sudha had applied to the company and was told that only men were eligible to apply. She wrote to the then company chairman J.R.D. Tata complaining of the gender bias at Telco. As a result, she was granted a special interview, found eligible, and hired immediately. She met N.R. Narayana Murthy while employed as an engineer at Telco in Pune. Later, Narayan Murthy moved to Patni Computers. He and Sudha married in February 1978. Sudha made many personal sacrifices while her husband set up Infosys along with 5 others. In 2006, Sudha Murthy was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest ranking civilian award for the government of from the government of India, and received an honorary doctorate for her contributions in the spheres of social work, philanthropy and education, and the R.K. Narayan Award for Literature. In 2011, Sudha Murthy and Justice Santosh Hegde were conferred honorary LL.D. Doctor of Law degrees for their contribution to promoting formal legal education and scholarship in India. Murthy is prolific author of fiction. She has published several books that spell out her views on charity, hospitality, and self-realization through fictional narratives. How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories has been translated into 15 languages including English, Hindi, and Assami. Other notable books by her are Wise and Otherwise, Old Man and His God, and Gently Falls the Bakula. She started writing when she was in college and believes she is a storyteller at heart. Writing helps her express her opinions and emotions. Apart from her philanthropy work, her other interests are walking, climbing, traveling, and trying out vegetarian cuisines from across the world. Despite being a prolific writer, she has avoided writing a biography of her husband or her autobiography. She believes one needs to be unbiased to be able to write these. This is difficult in a relationship. Being married to a famous man has both advantages and disadvantages. She has been able to undertake her philanthropy work because of the earnings from Infosys. At the same time, she cannot indulge in the simple pleasure of drinking tea at a roadside stall because she may be recognized. Sudha Murthy is a woman of many talents. At 62 and grandmother twice over, she shows no sign of slowing down. Behind her often stern, no-nonsense appearance and down-to-earth demeanor, there lies a fun person with an impish sense of humor. So, this is the first chapter about Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is an inspiring woman who is living in the contemporary world. So, this is all about Sudha Murthy. I hope you enjoyed this online lecture. Thank you for your patience listening.